emoji review. I don't know. I just tried to record the FRL keyboard that I tried to add the detail photos. Selling it, even though it's actually the best sounding keyboard that I had right now, even though the basic keyboard that was used is basically pretty much a cheap keyboard, but when I try to compare it with the expensive keyboard that it's owned by my work friend company, people that work in the same company, so it has more expensive mechanical keyboard which has an aluminum case, and it's not really different because this one is already solid as well. So I'm not sure whether I've done this before or not. There's actually the FRL test keyboard inside the folder of my Philco white on black typing test. So because if you talk about the previous second video, it's only less than a minute, I guess. So with this additional typing test, it will make it minutes, perhaps almost. Yeah, it's actually the best sounding keyboard that I have for some reason, but I want to sell it. See, I just had so many keyboards right now.